Ever built a PC and thought everything was going great, only to run into weird problems later? It might be a simple cable you forgot. This is a really common mistake. We're talking about the front panel connector for the case. It's tiny, it's often hidden, and it's super easy to miss. Most people focus on the big power cables and forget this little one. This connector handles the power button, reset button, USB ports, and audio jacks on your case. If it's not connected, those features simply won't work, and sometimes it leads to boot issues. The connectors are usually labeled on your motherboard, but they're tiny and can be hard to see. Check your motherboard manual for the exact pin layout. Each connector is positive and negative. Polarity matters. Double check that it's fully seated before you power up your new build. It's a small step that can save you a big headache. Don't forget this hidden cable.